Morning students, today we are going to study third chapter Physical Geography of India. Our third chapter is the Physical Geography of India. Physical Geography of India. Then a natural region is a basic geographical unit. Indian subcontinent has many physical features. The physical features form 6 natural regions. Regions created by nature. Then that the same way the natural vegetation. What is called natural? What are called natural vegetation? In each natural region, there are certain plants, trees that grows naturally. They are called natural vegetation. Then the natural vegetation of an area depends upon on the kind of land, kind of weather, as well as the height of the land. Then there are 5 different kinds of natural vegetation. Here are the natural vegetation. There are 5 kinds of natural vegetation. They are evergreen rainforest, then deciduous forest, scrub vegetation, desert vegetation, mangrove forest and mountain vegetation. These are the 5 kinds of natural vegetation. The natural vegetation, that the same way natural regions. The natural region is a basic geographical unit. That is the natural region. Then the natural vegetation, that is the forest area. Then 6 type of natural vegetation: evergreen rainforest, deciduous forest, scrub vegetation, desert vegetation, mangrove forest and mountain vegetation. These are the 6 type of natural vegetation. That the same way 6 type of natural regions also. They are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateau, coastal plains and the island regions. These are the 6 type of natural regions. The natural regions are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains and the island region. These are the 6 type of natural regions. Then the first we study the natural vegetation, or forest areas. The first one is the evergreen rainforest. The evergreen rainforest. These forests or these trees are grow in areas where there is heavy rainfall. The forests remain green because all the trees do not shed their leaves at the same time. That type of forest is also known as the evergreen rainforest. Do not shed their leaves at the same time. Then their leaves at the same time. Do not shed their leaves at the same. There is a particular times also shed their leaves. That is the first one, evergreen rainforest. And the second one is that the deciduous forest. Deciduous forest, these type of forest or these type of trees are found in areas where there is not much rain. That type of forest or deciduous trees shed their leaves every year. Then the deciduous trees or deciduous forest shed their leaves in every year. Then like the second point, natural vegetation, the deciduous forest. And the third one is that scrub vegetation or scrub forest, scrub vegetation. This type of vegetation or this type of forest is found in drier places. In drier places, there are rough deciduous trees and grasses. That type of forest is also known as the scrub vegetation. And fourth point is that desert vegetation. Desert vegetation. This is found in the desert area. The desert vegetation or desert forest is also found in desert areas. Plants have long roots. Then importance is that the long root. The plants also have long roots to search for water and thick stem to store water. That is the important. This is the desert plants. And fifth point is that mangrove forest. Mangrove forest. These forest or these trees grow along the coast. Then coastal areas also we can found then the mangrove forest. Then mangrove trees have roots that can also be seen above the ground. That is the important one. Then sixth point is that mountain vegetation. Mountain vegetation. In the lower hills, there are forests like bamboo trees. Then bamboo trees or bamboo forest. Over the higher mountains, there are forest trees like coniferous trees or coniferous forest. There are forest of trees like coniferous. Then these trees like a needle shape, the needle like leaves and woody cones. That is the important one, which contain their seeds. The highest slopes mostly have only grass and flowers. These are the 6 type of natural vegetation. Natural vegetation. First one is the evergreen rainforest. Second one is deciduous forest. Third one is scrub vegetation. Fourth one is that desert vegetation. Fifth one mangrove forest, and sixth one is mountain vegetation. These are the 6 type of natural vegetation. Then these are the natural regions. The natural regions also same one, the 6 type. The northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains, the island regions. These are the 6 type of natural regions. Today we can wind up the class. Thank you.